It's recording.
1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm not here alone now. Welcome, this is my friend Will. I'm acting like this is my channel.
Yes.
This is actually Will's camera because he is more professional than me.
Professional.
Anyways, it's our first day in Rio. We literally just got here about
2 hours ago.
2 hours ago. We just arrived at our Airbnb. How are you feeling, Will? What are your first impressions?
Minimal sleep, so I'm a little tired, a little hazy.
Yeah, he got approximately how many hours of sleep?
Hour and a half.
Oh my god, wait, that's
I was only supposed to have a half hour of sleep, but I overslept my alarm and missed my first flight, so I got an extra hour of sleep there.
I think I maybe slept like 3 hours, so I think I got a little bit of you. We're here now. I feel like on my first day of traveling, I'm like super anxious, so I'm feeling a little bit anxious right now because I'm in a new place, but that's just me.
I've been in Brazil for 2 months so far, so like it eases a little bit of it, but also haven't been to Rio, so
yeah.
I'm excited to explore, but also excited for sleep and food.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. He was already in Brazil. I just took a 20-hour flight to get here, so that was fun. We're staying in Ipanema, which personally is my favorite place, so I can't wait to show Will around, show him all the hot spots, and hopefully we'll get to like get some footage. It's kind of like weird knowing where to film here because of safety reasons, so we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll have to talk to our contacts.
Yeah. Call the FBI.
We have our people.
You want a tour of the house?
Yeah, we should do a tour. Here, I'll follow you.
Hey guys, welcome to our crew. It's not that big, but right here we have Will's lovely couch and bed.
Amazing.
This is going to be our work desk. Look at that, it has 2 chairs. This is perfect. Because there's 2 people living here, you know? Then we have our American style kitchen. We have our oven, microwave, and dishwasher and dryer all in one. Not my favorite that we have a mini fridge, but it's okay. We'll make it work. That's the kitchen. Oh, come look at the view. I swear I saw a monkey. I swear. And look at this beautiful tree. I don't know what it's called. I feel like this is a cashew tree.
Maybe. Yeah, I forget the name. I've heard it before.
I brought my skateboard, guys. We'll have to explore that. We have bathroom number 1.
Dark.
They
Can't
keep
see it.
the toilets separate from the showers, which is really interesting. Bathroom. Oh yeah.
Bye, guys.
And then, sorry, it's a little messy. Bedroom. It's hot in here.
Yeah, we have to see if the AC is working, but.
Oh, it's like heat. Okay, and that is the tour of.
I ran into a wall.
Oh
With no walking backwards for me. No, it was fine.
Okay, everyone, that's a synopsis of the tour of our crib. Stick around.
Boa tarde. Boa tarde.
Boa tarde. Welcome to Brazil. Woo!